So I ordered a bunch of stuff on AliExpress and they all came. Now it's time to unbox. Let's see what it is. I'm not even sure what I ordered. I forgot. Okay, what is it? Okay, the package is stuck. Okay, this is I think this is for sticking on artificial nails. These are the clay for the nail models. And then, oh, I got these nail displays. And then this is the tape for the nail display. And I don't remember ordering this, but this is, I think, a top coat. I think these are both top coats. I'm not quite sure what this means. Classic Eternal Gel, Modern Antique Series. Okay. We got those. Those will be in great use. Let's see. What's in here? Oh, a bunch of nail tips. Let's see how it compares. Let's take a look at the quality of this. I don't really like this box that they use here. It'd be kind of difficult to take out. Let's see. See, I'm already having trouble taking it out. Okay, it's literally got stuck at the top of the box and half of them spilled out. It's got a lot of static. Can't even put it back in the box. What is happening here? Okay. It feels slightly thin, but I do like the nail shape. Yeah, the shape is good. We'll try those out soon, but I really don't like this box. This box has a lot of static. Look at this, it's all stuck. Go. Is this? Oh, look. So here I have a prettier nail stand. So this is the one I currently have. And I saw this on AliExpress and I like this gem, so I will be using this. And this pen, they said that it would be used to draw on nails, but I looked at this and it looks like just a regular ink pen. Not sure if it works. I guess we'll try it out. Micron graphic. Interesting. Next. Okay. There, I got UV gel. For some reason, it feels extremely light. Feels like there's nothing inside. Take a look. Okay, it's sealed. Okay, let me open up and see if there's actually nothing inside. Maybe there's nothing inside here. Okay, there is something inside, but there's so little. I'm not sure if you can see it. Look. This is a top, and the whole bottom part is just plastic, and there's just like this little product inside. I'm gonna have to check how much I paid for this. Next. Oh, cute. So these are other nail displays. Quite nice. They're kind of sharp on the edges, so kind of feels like I'll cut my hand with this. Yeah. This is very sharp over here. I'm totally gonna cut my hand. And oh, there's these nail things. So I got these. These make a nice diamond design for some nails. These are cute. I like this. Next. This looks heavy. This feels heavy. There's probably some polish I open. Okay. There's this. And there's this. The box is completely crushed. Yeah. I totally do not expect the box to be in any better shape. It did go through probably a bunch of customs. Okay, let's see what this cover is. I'm excited to try this brand. It looks pretty good on when I saw it. Let's see what color I got. Oh look, it's nice. Nice color. Excited to try this out. Let's see what other color I got. Okay, look at this.
Hey, what happened?
The bottle spilled. I'm not sure what happened, but it's extremely sticky. Let's see the inside of the box. Okay, yeah, I see some of it is inside. Okay, I'm gonna probably have to ask for a return because the color is nice, but probably half of it spilled out. And just look at the bottle. The whole bottle is very sticky, and for some reason it's orange. Okay. Now that's it. excited to try all these items. Let me know what you think of this unboxing video.